That's my new birthday present. Wireless indoor infrared 2-channel tactical helicopter, built-in LED lights. Sean Boy on the controls. A lot better than I could ever do. I just got the fucking thing. I already broke 2 wings. Yeah, dude, hover. Oh. Dude, you're crazy fucking good at that. Sean, that's a lot better than I could do, bro. Can you land it on the table? Oh my god.
Oh, yeah,
holy shit. Tap.
Ow! Crash landing. Another wing.
Another wing really broke. Ridiculously broke. No, dude, don't. It's only 20 bucks. Cheap fucking thing. It's sentimental though. My mom got it for me for my birthday.